Hey guys, in this video I will show you some progress for the OpenAI Real Time API.NET SDK project. You guys may already know I created a whole bunch of video to introduce the OpenAI Real Time API. I also created a SDK project for the .NET. So I already created 3 videos, so you guys could take a look what it is. Basically, it's just a .NET component for the WPF and the one form. So if you want to develop some OpenAI real-time application, you could just drag the component to your one form or your WPF form. Then it could and then specify the API key and set up some property, and then it could work. So I will show you how it's going to work. Here's some program for recently few days. I haven't updated for a while. The last one is December 24. So let's introduce the progress. So the first one, we improve the visualization. So we got a better visualization. If you look at we add something over here and this one to our component, so it looks better. I will show you later. And then we also improve the UI. We add the scroll bar for the text chat history window. We support the press talk. We support the WebRTC. This one is a very nice one. And we have more contributor join the project. That is why I talk about we have something, because not I have something, because we have more developer joining the team. Yeah, which encouraged me to put more time on this project. So let's start. Take a look at the visualization. So let's open the project. If you don't know where it is, I will put the URL of the GitHub to this video, so you guys can download that and run it. So basically, here is the project I download. You just, like I mentioned, you just drag the component over here to your one form and specify the let me show you. Specify the API key. Then it should work. Of course, you could specify something like the system prompt over here. So if you need support the function call, you just put register your function call over here. So basically, this is how it's working. You don't need a lot of code to get it working. So let's start. The first thing, just to connect to the OpenAI. Okay. Press if even you connect the OpenAI, you talk OpenAI server may not hear what you are talking about. You need to press this one. Of course, you could always set there is a property say is muted, so you could always set that to be false. Then you could talk with the OpenAI real time, but this one I don't want to cost a lot of money, so we just add the press talk. When you press this, then you could talk. OpenAI could hear what you are talking about. So right now, OpenAI not able to hear what I'm talking about. So once I click this, once I press this one, hey, what's the population of United States? Okay. It will hear that, and now even I keep making my video, it not will break that, will not interrupt that. So which is a very nice feature. I can just keep talking. So let's see if I want to ask another question. So let's press this and talk. Hey, what's the population of the China? Thank you. Okay. You will see let's keep talking. If I want to break that, I want to just press this one. Okay, stop. Okay, it will stop. So you will also another feature is the auto scoring. We auto score to the end of this one. So you can see the whole history of the chatting. I still plan to add one more controller which could display this history. I will talk about this later. Okay, so let's stop this one and keep look into my agenda. Okay, so okay, we have the praise talk. Also we support the WebRTC. This one I have not yet fully support this one. We add the WebSocket. We have the WebSocket because this one we need to restructure a little bit. We support the WebSocket and also we need to support the WebRTC. So we need some restructure. But itself, the WebRTC itself is working. We just have a property, say this network driver type. It's WebRTC. If we set up this is WebRTC, then it uses WebRTC. Otherwise, it will use the WebSocket. This one has not yet merged to the main branch. I still am trying to polish this a little bit. So it may release next week, sometime of next week. So, but it's working. I have another video talk about just a very simple demo use the WebRTC with .NET. So you guys could take a look. Of course, I have some others platform like the Python, the Java, the JavaScript. So this one will release next week. You could once it's released, you could find it in the Git repository. You could find this one in our Git repository. Just use the Git repository to Nuget. You could find this one in the Nuget. You could search the Navibot. So okay, you could find over here. So we will release this later. Okay, so the next one I need to talk about in last few weeks we have more member to join the team, to join this project. I will I really appreciate someone give me a lot of idea. This guy helped me a lot. This one, his name is Cosine. He's from Swissnet, so he have a lot of experience about the open source project. I'm pretty new for the open source world. Like if you look at my repository, I don't have too many open source projects. Most of my projects are closed, are not open source, are private projects. I use the GitLab a lot, but I don't use the GitHub very often. So he gave me a lot of a lot of suggestion for how to organize the project, how to manage how to manage this branch, which helped me a lot. I really appreciate. We also have the weekly meeting to manage the team, the project. So I hope more people could help me to manage the project and get the project grow, and which could benefit for all .NET developer or .NET developer which want to use the OpenAI Real Time API. So I really appreciate anyone if you have some time could any developer if have some time could join the project, help me grow this project. Also, if anyone have any question, I found someone also already have some question, ask like how to use the function call, how to use the component, or the components have some problem. So anyone, if your guys have any issue, you could post the issue to the board, to our issue board. Here is our issue board. You could post to our issue list. Just create a new issue. We will manage this issue. We will put this to in progress, or to put into the to-do list. Here is what we can't have. Like I mentioned, I really want have a separate component which could display the history of the chat. So something like this. Once you specify, once you hook up this one with the main component, it will display the history of the chart. So this one we are working on this one. Of course, support the WebRTC. Make the function call works better. Yeah, a whole bunch of stuff like that. So anyone could help the project. That will be very helpful. Okay. Yeah, I think that is the progress for this project. Let me know if you guys have any question. This project will be free for forever, I think. I don't think we will make the money from this project. We hope more and more .NET developer could use this component. Yeah, I think that's it. Thank you. Bye.